Hey fam, I'm just popping out to finish the curtain business. Okay, I'm not going to be out or to stay out for too long. Anaan has 3 hours today. If it was not for this, I wouldn't even bother going out, but I have to finish the business. Roadworks still on, guys. Look at that, all the way. I cannot even bother doing a bulk shopping here because the taxi leaves me like further down there and my house is just here. I can't bother. Guys, I'll see you when I get to the center. It's gonna take me like 15 minutes to get there. I'm just walking to and fro, doing my exercise. Hey, with my foot, I stopped complaining, guys, because I feel like it's getting better at the same time. When I walk like this, it hurts really bad. But when I wake up the following morning, it feels better, and the pain which I'm currently experiencing is not as bad as it was in the beginning. So yeah, hopefully I'll get better. Yeah, it's very beautiful, but still cold. I've put on a very heavy jacket, but on the inside I have only one layer, so this is okay. Guess where I am, guys? Already at the town center. Hello. Already at the range. This place is huge. I haven't even explored the whole shop, guys. Very huge. When it comes to lighting, oh my god, beautiful. I think we should go around. I have some time to myself. Yeah, we should just go around this shop and check everywhere. This is compost. Yeah, look at this chair, but the color, and I need something like this, you know. He loves swinging himself so much. Down here we have 7 trees. Most of it is this is a very beautiful piece. Too huge. Yeah. Things like these are very beautiful. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Coral ornament. Very nice. And I think you can clean it with water. Yeah. Look at these candles. Wooden slice centerpiece. It's just a centerpiece, guys. Yeah. These are shell glass stones. How much is each? There is no price tag. No price tag. I think, yeah. What are these for? What are these? People who do decoration, sort of, especially functions like weddings, birthdays, you know, baby showers. This is a lip. Mukama Katonda. I just need a very good time just to explore everything in here. Look at these candles. Oh my, beautiful. But to have such a candle, you have to have some sort of, you know, tray for it to sit on. Very, it is scented. Look, it has fruits, dry fruits in there, but I don't know what kind of fruits those are down here. They're like maybe herbs or something. And then something down here, mushroom diffuser. Yeah, these are diffusers. Very nice. Makes your home environment fresh and smell divine. These baskets are very good, but see, 24 pounds. It's a set. Let me see. Yeah, set of 3. Small, medium, and large. Yeah, that is fair. Oh my God. I'll buy this and put it on my table. Yeah, you see? Those huge candles need something like this to sit on. And there it is. Yeah. Oh, these lovely heart-shaped wooden bowls are still here. Good for fruits, vegetables, and stuff like that. Then we have an artificial olive tree here, but it looks real, guys. 59 pounds. Yeah. What are these? Carrots? Imitation of carrot. This is for Easter. Easter is coming up. And then dough charms. I think I should put something like this for Nana in the garden. It is sensory. How much is it though? And then, yeah, it's 4 pounds. I'll tie it up there for him. Hang it in the garden for him. 5 pounds is not a lot. How do I stop this sound? Guys, let me just go upstairs and do some little tour and then buy whatever I have to buy. I love this. Oh my. It's a lamp and it has tassels as well. Natural material on there. I love that. So these are all different types of lamps. Yeah, it depends on what you want. You want lamps with shelves like that. That is extra, you know, space for other things. This one has even a USB port. How nice. Very beautiful. Very beautiful, guys. And they're not so expensive as I thought. But buying something like this and then Nana swings it down, boom, that's where the problem is. Even this is very good for Anaan, but when he sees something like this, he gets overstimulated, overly excited, and the result end is destruction. Yeah. You see the small dining tables. like this one, but it's round. That one takes a lot of space. Yeah. I'll wait. There was a dining table, a small one, which was here sometime back. Yeah. These are shelves, bedside, bedside tables or cabinets. These are storage boxes. Very nice. Yeah. We have a lot of stuff. Very, very good. Now my curtains are here. And I also need a curtain rod. Ooh. Wooden, no. I need an adjustable one, something I can adjust. 19 pounds. Let's say that is 20 pounds, guys. 170 centimeters. $120 centimeters. Yeah, where like this is 120. Yeah, I think I should take this one. Me and my thumbnails. These are the blinds I love to have in my house. But Anaan will bring it down in a minute. Yeah. You know why? He loves open space. He loves looking out through the window. Yeah. So that is a problem there. I don't know if these are two or it's one curtain. If it's one curtain, then that is cheating. So this is where my heart lies. I don't know what it is with this curtain, but this is where my heart lies. I can even take a whole different curtain. Look at this one. If you look at this one, you have this one too. Very, very cream. They're all blackout curtains. They have cushions which match. 2 cushions for 19 pounds, and it's on sale because they have an offer there. This must be really huge. Moment of truth, guys. I'm only taking one pair of curtains because I always go for the best. Right now I'm within my budget. I'll come back later for what? I have dropped Anaan's thing. I don't know if it can be repaired. So guys, I did it. I chose a very, very nice curtain, but it was a bit pricey. Yeah, it's $39.99. Let me say round figure is 40 pounds, but at least that is a fair price for a pair of curtain, and very good. Yeah, It's very good. You're gonna see it across the road. By the way, guys, this is where Anaan support comes from. It's the children's trust. Yeah, all the support he gets, both home and in school, comes from here. Yeah. So I'm walking back home, guys. When I want the bus, it never shows up. Now that I'm walking, they're just going past me anyhow. So many of them. Yeah, so I basically have one hand, guys. My other hand is dying. It's only one curtain and it's very heavy. But I'll come back for a second one in a couple of days so that they all match. Yeah, in the sitting room. But still, I have to look for the other pair as well. Okay, I have other curtains, but they don't suit my need right now. Yeah, they don't suit my need right now, so I have to sort this out. Boom, boom. Anyway, guys, let me get home and then I'll see you there. We have only the cones left. They've really done a good job. Everything was dug up, you know. And now it's like they have finished the job around here. Now to another place, but it's so bad the other side, guys. I need to put this thingy. And Aaron didn't lock the shed. That's not nice. Yeah, I want to put the charm into our, oops. Guys, my storage is shagala bagala, you see that? But we will arrange it. Not in a bad way. It's just that everything is disorganized, but it's clean. See, very clean on all the shelves. Where do I put this? That is also another job waiting to be done. Arranging the shed. Guys, you see how I have little space? Very small space. These are things some of the things I want to send back home. Shoes, what not. But I think I'll end up giving it to charity. Yeah. I think I'll end up giving it to charity. Anaan scooter, mower, some of the garden compost. This is topsoil. I think this is mulch. Yeah. My water hose. Oh my god, this is bad. I know. It is bad, but it will get fixed in 1 minute. Okay, let's close the door. Aaron didn't lock this place. Oh, this is beautiful. I get to see my very first bloom. Oh. So this is our material. Very nice. It's like linen. I don't know if it's linen, but you know that thick linen, that's how it looks like. Which is okay. I hope it does what I want. And this is our road. Now Barbara is gonna get to work, but before that, what's the time? 11. I'm supposed to eat after 12, so let me get to work. That will also distract me not to be tempted to eat anything before then. Now guys, what I'm going to do right now is to take the net down I'm going to smoothen those tiny little patches that I filled, and then paint as well. So when I'll put about 2 coats, and that is enough, yeah, because it's not a big, you know, portion to work on. And then after that, I'll put the neck back on, and then also drill. I think I should drill first because that is also a mess, then sandpaper. Once I mark where the curtain board is gonna be, that's it. So let's get to work. I love this, I love this, I love this. Guys, I never rest. Yeah, this body here is designed to be in Africa. So we'll bring this down, then I'll sandpaper and drill the curtain rolled holes, then paint. And then after the paint dries up, then the curtains will come in. Anyway guys, in case you're new here, welcome to Barbara's World, and please kindly subscribe to this channel. Yeah, I do lifestyle videos, but I'm also an autism mom. I have a child with special needs. He is on the autism spectrum. Yeah, so please guys, support me, support us. Yeah, if I say support me, then I think I'm kind of like mean, because this channel is both for you and me, okay? It's not only my channel. So please support us. That's the best word to say. Yeah, so let's get to work. I love you guys. I'm not going to say any more thing. Work, work, work. That's the only thing I'm gonna do. Mwah. Let me show you something, guys. This is what I needed, okay? I should have taken it out before going up there. It's always advisable, yeah. You have to do two, you know, holes to hold the whole rod. I'm going to use this curtain hook or holder to mark where I'm going to drill. And that comes after the measurements. You have to do the measurements, make sure all the holders are on the same level. So I'll do like 3 centimeters outward. Let me yeah, 3 centimeters upward. to last, guys. Oh my god, the curtains are heavy. Anaan, you've woken up. So guys, I get to put the net back. Yeah, my son came back a while ago, but he came back to going to sleep straight. So that goes in, and there we have it. Click this siding. Wow. This is the best I've ever done. This is the best I've ever done. So these are the curtains. Has a lining on the inside. Is it a liner or lining? Yeah. So